Welcome to Dell Technologies Connectrix Cisco MDS Break-Fix Series. Cisco MDS downgrade from NXOS 8.5.1 fails with error. Service, SNMPD, capability feature SNMP user priv type. Reference Dell Knowledge Base article number 206287. This video was created to demonstrate Cisco MDS downgrade from NXOS 8.5.1 fails with error. Pre-upgrade check failed. Current running config is not supported by new image. Run the command show incompatibility all system downgrade image to find out which feature needs to be disabled. The incompatible configuration is Service, SNMPD, capability feature SNMP user priv type. SNMP user with DES privacy config present, which is not compatible with older image. Please reconfigure to remove the DES priv type. CSC VY23094. This video presents the following. Upgrade to NXOS 8.5.1 with SNMP server user configured gets DES parameter included in configuration which prevents the downgrade. At 8.4.1a, username test is created. This is what it looks like in the 8.4.1a running config. When switch is upgraded to 8.5.1, this is what it looks like in the 8.5.1 running config. Note that the DES keyword is now inserted. When to do this? Downgrade from 8.5.1 to earlier 8.x versions fails to execute due to compatibility error in SNMP config and indicates how to remove the user with DES privacy type. Before you begin, details of issue. Unable to downgrade from NXOS 8.5.1 with SNMP server user with DES parameter in running config. Conditions applies to all MDS switches running NXOS 8.5.1 with SNMP server user configured at prior releases. Workaround, update or delete the SNMP server user to proceed with downgrade from NXOS 8.5.1. If the SNMP server user is updated on NXOS 8.5.1, then the DES encryption parameter will be changed to AES 128 and downgrade will be allowed. Example commands to delete SNMP server user. Example commands to recreate or reconfigure SNMP server user. Fix, upgrade to NXOS 9.2.1 or higher. Downgrade from this versions will not encounter the bug. Resolution summary, downgrade from a release containing this fix with the presence of SNMP server user. DES SNMP v3 users will be supported without any display of incompatibility. The DES parameter will automatically be removed during the downgrade. Check the current version running on the switch. In this demo, let us downgrade the switch from 8.5.1 to 8.4.1a. Downgrade failed. With error. Pre-upgrade check failed. Current running config is not supported by new image. Run the command show incompatibility all system downgrade image to find out which feature needs to be disabled. The following configurations are incompatible with system image. SNMP user with DES privacy config present, which is not compatible with older image. Please reconfigure to remove the DES priv type. Check the SNMP user configured. You can notice that admin user has DES privacy type. Check the SNMP running config for admin user. DES parameter is included in configuration, which prevents the downgrade. Modify the admin user to use 128-bit AES encryption. Check the SNMP users again. You can now see that admin user is added with AES 128 privacy parameter. Retry the downgrade now. You can see that downgrade is in progress. Important notes. Cisco NXOS uses AES as one of the privacy protocols for SNMP message encryption. The advanced encryption standard is the symmetric cipher algorithm. The priv option offers a choice of DES or 128-bit AES encryption for SNMP security encryption. The priv option along with the AES 128 token indicates that this privacy password is for generating a 128-bit AES key. The AES priv password can have a minimum of 8 characters. If the passphrase are specified in clear text, you can specify a maximum of 64 characters. If you use the localized key, you can specify a maximum of 130 characters. Refer to the following for more information. Dell Knowledge Base article number 206287. Thank you for watching.